Yesterday, Tangkhul Express TV visited Litan and Laho to assess the security situation on the ground amid rising concerns in the area. During the visit, the Tangkhul Express TV team reportedly spotted two bunkers positioned opposite both villages, allegedly occupied by cadres linked to the Kuki National Army. The bunkers were seen facing civilian settlements, creating concern among residents over the close presence of armed positions near inhabited villages.